Creation and Scripture are two ways God reveals himself. Both testify to his power and perfection. Psalm 19 points to the sun. Its light reaches everyone, everywhere, every day. Yet the sun is simply following the course God set for it. Then Psalm 19 also says, "The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul." Creation reveals God in a general way. Scripture reveals him more directly. Scripture sweeps us from eternity past, Genesis 1:1, to eternity future, Revelation 21, new heavens, new earth. Romans 1:20 says, "Although God is invisible, his majesty is clearly seen in creation. So no one is without witness, no one has an excuse. The heavens declare his glory, and so should we. To God be the glory."